So welcome back to A2 Pro Mathematics. So in this video, we'll be discovering some relationship between variables. So let's just say now we have a function of y is equal to k times x to the power of n. And in this case, k and n are both constant. Right, so what about, so from this we have the, no, so here, let's find the log of y. So when you get the log of y, this will be equal to the log of k times x to the power of n. Now this is so from the properties that I've shown you in the last video, this should be equal to the log of k plus the log of x to the power of n. The log of k plus n log x. So this is what we can get from that. Now a funny thing about this relationship, so we have the log of y, and this is equal to n times the log of x plus the log of k. Now k and n are constants. So in this case, n log x is a constant, n is a constant, and log k is also a constant. So if we going to plot this equation, this is what we will get. So we don't plot it as x and y, but we plot it as log of x and the log of y. Now n is the constant, so obviously this will be a straight line. Right, so this is a linear equation, so log x and log y. So consider these as two variables. So this equation will be a straight line. So this graph will look something like this. So that is a straight line. So this in fact has a lot of implication that when you actually try in doing them in the question, you actually get used to solving problem like this. Now let's get to another kind of function. Now let's say we have another function of y. So y is equal to say k and n to the power of x. Right, so here, so let's just say, is there any particular relationship here? So you also get the log of y. This is equal to the log of k n to the power of x. Right, this is equal to the log of k plus the log of n to the power of x, and this is equal to the log of k plus the log of n, x times the log of n. So we have the equation of log y is equal to x times log of n plus log of k. Right, so this, funnily, this is also a linear equation. So we have x is a variable, and then you have the log of y is also a variable, and these two are constant. Right, so as we plot the graph, here we have the graph. Now here we have x, not log x, x. Here we have log of y. And here we have the line. So in this case, the gradient is the log of n. But as the last case, the gradient is n. Now these relationship, now some might just be just relationship, but then when you actually doing the problem, these will have very interesting implication, which you will see in some example question in future.